So, welcome back to a new vlog. It's currently, well, it's Bank Holiday Monday. It's currently 20 past 6. We're off to the beach. So, everybody knows what the weather's been like in the UK this weekend. It's really surprising for a bank holiday. It's been red hot, so we'd have a nice day out. Yeah, so Nikki's driving. So the kids are in the back, and we haven't got Sky with us. She's staying at home because it's, yeah, as you said, it's red hot, and none of us want to. I don't think it's a good idea to be taking your dog out. So yeah, we're off to the thing. We'll leave it where we're surprising. Just currently on the A5. So yeah, let's see what the day has to bring. We've now just parked the car. Now we're going off for a little bit of a walk to get some buckets and spades because all ours have gone. Well, we got some obviously down the caravan, but we don't have them here, so we're just going to pick some up, get them at home. So yeah, we'll try and find a bin on our travels as well. £7.75 to park the car for the day, so it's not too bad. I'd worse, so see what else we get up to. So, just having a bit of a walk along the seafront. The Vera and James have found a telescope. Lewis is walking along the wall. And Nikki must have spent quite a bit of time in the sun yesterday because look how red she is. Not good, babe. So we pretty much walked along to the end, it's just up there. So that for a view. Such a lovely day.
Is that in his kayak?
Like out there in his kayak? Oh man. It's bloody warm. It's only like 9 o'clock in the morning as well. We've now arrived on the beach. Set up a little camp. We've had to go to the shop and buy some buckets and spades and a picnic blanket and a umbrella because of how warm it is. So yeah, boys having a play. Today's just getting changed out of shot. So yeah, and getting on the important suntan lotion. Just back from a dip in the sea, and now we're having a bit of lunch. It's only 20 to 12, but the kids are hungry, so to keep them fed. So, lunch finished, and now they're playing their favourite game, which is bury daddy in the sand. I'm meant to be burying my feet, and somehow I've got things up here, sand up here. JJ is burying himself, I think. Nope, no, not on my teeth, not on my vest top, you lot.
No, on the feet.
Right, we've gone on from burying Daddy, and now we've buried Lewis and James. I'm a bit sandy, as you can see. No, we won't bury Sophia. Go on then, you two, break out, stand up. They're stuck, yes. Peace and quiet, babe. Oh no, he's escaped. So, just had another play in the sea, and unfortunately we've ended up with a disaster. Lewis whacked me in the nose. Well, I've got nose, but Nikki just ran to get me some tissues. So yeah, nice way to spend a bank holiday with a bleeding nose. So yeah, just currently having a play. Kids. Oh, Nikki's getting to think. Oh, Nikki's gone to find some sand. Oh, Lucy's looking a bit pink. We've just packed up, got everything already packed up, and somebody's fallen asleep on the job. Looks like Nikki's now going to have to carry him back to the car. Got fish and chips. Unfortunately, we come off the beach. Unfortunately, there's a bit of an accident and things, so they're trafficking in Barmouth at the moment. It's dreadful. So we've got fish and chips. We've got some drinks, so I'll come back. Quick update. It's currently around 7 o'clock. Something like that, Bob. What time is it?
20 past 7.
20 past 7. Yeah. So we're now currently still at the car. The car hasn't actually moved. Yeah. Unfortunately, the car park is rammed. I think there's some traffic lights. There's also the lifeboat centre there, which I don't think is obviously last thing we ever want is somebody, given what we went on earlier today. Yeah, the last thing we ever wanted to thing, but yeah, so we're all just currently stood here, not really moving. We all got in the car and the kids have got out and we're all just sat in this empty parking space next to us, so still got plenty of time left on the parking fortunately, so to see what happens if that does expire. So yeah, but yeah, that's going to be fun. I think we're getting home for a while. But so we thought we'd pass the time. These guys have got ice cream. I wasn't really feeling it, so yeah, we're just sitting here in the shade. Still no, apparently now the police are sorting out the traffic, but see what happens. So, just to give you a quick update, it's now currently 9:15. Yep, whistling in the car park. There's Nikki and the kids. And that is a good view over there. Sun's going down. People still on the beach. Mad. Car park's still crazy. So at 5 to 10 we have Finally learnt the car park. I just run some people over. Still people on the beach. Look at a beautiful view. Just look at that view. So yeah. Fortunately, most people, 99% of the people in the park are brilliant people. I've had about 5 really good conversations with them. But unfortunately, you get some arseholes who'd be dickheads about people getting out. So, but you just know what, humanity's going to bite them back on the backside. So yep. Cut to the next day. We got home about 1:45 this morning. So yeah, about 2.5 hour drive back. So yeah, joys. All the kids fell asleep. Well, Nikki fell asleep as well. So for most of it was just me awake. Fun. So yeah. Unfortunately, the day went a bit south from what was a noisy start to the day, but it's one of those things. And unfortunately, bank holiday traffic, beautiful weather, seaside town. Unfortunately, it's just the way it is. And unfortunately, roadworks didn't help. So, if you have enjoyed this video, then please drop it a like and please hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we upload. But bye for now.